We've made it to beautiful Utah. I love this state. And we'll be spending 2 weeks at Sen Outdoors in Moab, located next to Arches National Park and a few minutes from downtown Moab. This RV resort is surrounded by 360-degree views of spectacular desert landscapes. You can choose from tons of full hookup sites, or if you're traveling by car, you can stay at the selection of cottages, Airstreams, or even bring your own tent. Hello, good morning. We have finally made it all the way to Moab, and you can see behind me, surrounded by like the most beautiful landscape. It's really, really hot, but it feels good. And we're gonna go and explore this beautiful place. There's like endless adventures to have here, and we're here for 10 days, so we're just gonna really take in the scenery, take in the environment, have some good food, head to the town, do some adventuring. Sia's going skydiving. He doesn't know because it's for his birthday, so there's that, and some other adventurous things coming your way.
We got in late last night, so we actually didn't see any of the scenery. Everything was dark. So it's actually nice to wake up and actually see where you are. Get a little surprise in the morning. So I opened my eyes, cracked open the blind, and could see just beauty.
Canyonlands National Park, and it's a clear day today, a little windy, which actually feels great because it's hot, but you can see in the distance La Salle Mountains, which you don't always get to see because sometimes there's smog or just weather permitting, of course, but they're pretty beautiful. This is just the first stop coming into the park. Like, come on.
Wow, this place is phenomenal. And it's laid out really nice that you can just drive around if you don't want to go for long hikes. Which is really nice, especially when it's really hot and windy and there's sand blowing everywhere. Okay, so first day in Moab, and we just came to town and we were told to come to 98 Center for really good vegan, gluten-free options. I got a Vietnamese coffee, but a vegan version, so it's got like coconut, I think it's coconut condensed milk. It's so good, whatever it is. It's like 38 degrees today, so it's good. Yes.
Yeah.
Not a bad view from the restaurant either. All over. The mountains are just all over.
Kai and I are at Moab Giants today, which is a dinosaur exhibit, and like what better place to have something like this? It's really cool, and there's these like giant dinosaurs that are like lifelike sizes. Really cool. Hi, what do you think of this place? Do you like it?
It's so scary when they bite me.
They're not gonna bite you.
Okay, today is my birthday, and Kristen got me a gift of skydiving. And that's where I am right now at Moab Skydive. And Arches National Park is one of the most beautiful places on earth. And I'm gonna get to see it from a bird's eye view and then float down towards the ground. I'm not afraid of heights. I'm not afraid of spiders. I'm not afraid of snakes. I don't feel that fear that often. But jumping out of a plane is not natural for a human. So I definitely feel a little butterflies, little flutters in the belly. This is a good feeling. I enjoy it because I don't feel it that often. It makes me feel alive.
Siya, how we doing today, man?
I'm doing good, man. I'm a little nervous.
Yeah, have you ever jumped before?
10 years ago, man. It feels like new.
Been a while.
Yeah.
Right on, man. So we're gonna brush the dust off today. Got Dustin here taking you for a jump.
Have fun, man. Right.
Plane's waiting for you.
Oh,
feeling good?
I'm ready.
Ready to go.
I'm ready to jump out of a plane.
Go love this plane, man. Have fun. See you in there, bud. Yeah, nice. Welcome back, man.
Holy smokes, I did it.
You did it, man. Nice job out there.
Wow, what a perspective.
All right.
Whew, holy, that was a thrill. That was like the biggest thrill you can experience. Jumping out of a plane while looking at this like expansive landscape of crevices and mountains and hills and oh wow, like desert. It was just spectacular. I definitely was a little nervous jumping out of the door of the airplane. Yeah, for sure. Once the chute gets pulled, then it gets quiet because the wind isn't that strong. And we started to do some like spins. I was like pulling and going left and right. And I got a little queasy. I almost thought I would vomit because I get seasick, and it kind of was like that same sensation of like my stomach going up and down, but I didn't. And thank you to my instructor, who or the guy that was with me. He did make it a lot nicer and easier. He was very professional. If you guys want a thrill, I don't see a bigger thrill in life than jumping out of an airplane, especially with epic views, like seeing a bird's eye view of Moab and of Arches National Park and Canyonlands and all these like spectacular places that we're gonna get to see on foot, but in the air. Wow. Woo. Wow. Okay. Birthday celebrations continue. Let's go back and see my girls. What's going on out here?
We're making orange juice.
Ooh.
Yeah, with our lemon squeezer. Because we didn't bring our juicer with us. We packed it away for Costa Rica, so we're just being creative here. It works just the same. Well, not just the same, but it works. How's that orange juice?
Good.
Yeah? Isn't it cool that we made it ourselves? And then the ants are so happy too. With all the peels.
Yeah.
You're cute.
Thanks. Oh, and welcome to Arches.
Yeah, we're at Arches National Park. This is my second time here.
It's my first time here. It's Atlas's second time here. But
Yeah.
my first.
Yeah.
And wow. Holy. Like, immense is like the word that pops into my mind.
Good
when
word.
I'm just like looking at this place. You feel so tiny, and these big, gigantic structures are just like, yeah, they're very captivating. Beautiful.
Yeah, so we're gonna go for a drive around Arches. I actually got a pass so that we can visit multiple times. And there's a few other parks that we want to see too, but today, family drive through Arches. I don't know if we're gonna get a hike in, but we'll see. If
Yeah.
we're not, we'll come back. So spectacular. Like, just, I love this planet. So many beautiful things to see. This is like, if you're driving across the country, you're missing out if you don't stop here. It's our last day here in beautiful Moab. We've been here for 10 days. It's been a ton of fun. But before we go, I do want to take one last ride through that valley. And I did it the other day and it was phenomenal. So Kai's been asking to do it again because there's a car seat there for her. And we're gonna get to that before we hit the road. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Hopscotch Roadmap. Be sure to watch the next episode where our family road trips to a new destination. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos.